In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Shotcut. By the end, your text will smoothly move to the top right corner while getting larger, giving your video a clean, professional touch. Start by selecting the clip where you want the animation to appear. Click the clip on your timeline so it's highlighted. This tells Shotcut exactly which piece of media should receive the text effect, and it prevents filters from being applied to the wrong track or clip. Next, open the Filters panel, click the Filters tab, then hit the plus button to add a new filter. This is where all your visual effects and text tools live, and every filter you add will be listed here so you can adjust it later. From the filter list, choose Text. Simple. You'll see a text box appear in the preview. Type the text you want to animate. Keep it concise and readable. And if your background is busy, consider a contrasting color or a simple shadow to keep it legible. Before we animate, resize the text to be smaller to start. In the preview window, drag the corners of the bounding box to scale it down. You can also click and drag the text to position it precisely. If you want consistency, aim for the safe area guides so your text doesn't sit too close to the edge. Now, enable keyframes inside the Filters panel, turn on keyframes for the text filter, and a keyframe timeline will appear at the bottom of the panel. Keyframes are snapshots of your settings at specific times, and Shotcut automatically animates the values between them. Move the playhead to the beginning of your clip. With the playhead at the start, set the text where you want it to begin. This is your starting point with the smaller size. Then move the keyframe marker forward to where you want the animation to finish. In the preview, drag the text up to the top right corner and resize it by dragging a corner to make it bigger. Make sure the position and size look exactly how you want at this moment. Shotcut will create a smooth motion and scale change between the first and second keyframes. Preview your animation by pressing play. You should see the text glide upward to the top right while gradually increasing in size, creating a polished movement that's easy on the eyes. And that's it. That's how to animate text in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Here's the final output of the video